engine that supports daily ship sailing. Maintaining a healthy engine promotes daily safe sailing. Therefore, it is important to detect engine problems in advance and prevent accidents. Oil mist detector detects oil mist concentration in the engine crankcase at an early stage, so we can take action before a serious accident occurs. Regulation mandates that these engines have an oil mist detector. Does your ship have the latest type of oil mist detector? If you are using an older model, are you facing these problems? Frequent troubles and false alarms, which piping type or age OMDs often face. Having many components, which increases the labor and maintenance costs for replacing the parts, or even necessary components have been discontinued. This is your chance to solve these problems by retrofitting to the latest type, MDSX. It's easy to retrofit any type of the currently installed oil mist detector by vessel crew. Troubles that have occurred with piping, type, etc. are also eliminated, so refreshing. By quickly detecting engine troubles, we can deal with it smoothly. MDSX can identify troubled crankcase by self-diagnosis function, and controller quickly clarifies device failure status. With less components, maintenance-free for 8 years in most cases, retrofit results in lower maintenance cost for the future. Any OMD type can be retrofitted to MDSX. Contact us.